Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make a video tutorial about how to make a Delion MasterNode. I'm gonna use Pecunia hosting. The case is they have the thing straight. When you come here and look at the reward structure, you know already what to expect. We can see the roadmap that they completed all the milestones until April, which we are now 24. Here you can download the wallets. They are listed in 3 exchanges. I mostly use GraviX, and he is the founder and his link. I will leave in the description all the links to this project. Let's take a look at MasterNodes online. We need 5,000 to make a MasterNode, and the return is gonna be a little bit over a month on the price of today. So if monthly it gives you $18 and is worth right now 22. So yeah, let's say 5 weeks. In 5 weeks you're gonna get your investment back. Okay, so let's get started. First, you will need to download your wallet if you're in Linux, Windows or Mac. In this machine I'm using Windows. I have the wallet right here and I have 5,001 coins. I have 5,001 because when you send it to your own address you will need to pay a small fee. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make another address. I'm gonna label it MasterNode 1 MN1 and request payment. This is the address, and I'm gonna send to this address exactly 5,000 coins. Okay, there you go. Also remember, after doing stuff to your wallet, remember to also encrypt it. I didn't do it yet. I'm gonna encrypt it after this. Okay, so I sent 5,000 to MN1 address, and let's see. I'm gonna wait for. It says 6 recommended in most wallets, but I do recommend over 10 confirmations. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the transaction ID from here. I copy it. And we are gonna go to Pecunia hosting. Once you get to Pecunia hosting, you're gonna want to hit 99 host right here and look for the coin. There it is, Delion. And I'm gonna choose a plan for 1 month. In this case I can actually take a 6 month plan, because it's not like the other ones that you're gonna be on the edge, they're gonna change collateral, or you already know what's up. But I'm gonna do it 1 month because I only have left $20 in the Pecunia wallet, can I say it, dashboard. Okay, so let's do it 1 month. He's gonna tell you what I showed you with the wallet to send it to a new address. You continue. Okay, so I'm gonna put the alias right here, MN1, and here I'm gonna paste the transaction ID from the wallet, which is this one. You can find it in transactions, and the transaction where you send 5,000 coins to yourself. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, I'm gonna hit continue. Deploy the MasterNode, deploy, and now it's installing. I want to leave it to install to synchronize with the hosting platform, and I'm gonna pause the video and restart when it's done. Okay, so the MasterNode is installed, it's synced too. You will want to check the confirmations here, 12 confirmations. Okay, it's waiting for remote activation. I'm gonna copy the string right here. You want to copy this and paste it in wallet. You want to open tools, MasterNode configuration file, and you're gonna paste that right here, down here. Paste it here, here, okay, and you're gonna save the file, close the wallet, and open it again. I'm gonna close it now. I'm still checking the confirmation, still on 12, okay. When you open the wallet again, you want to make sure here in MasterNode that it's showing up the string that you pasted, so it's alright. I'm gonna look at the confirmations again. It's 14 now. I'm gonna wait until 21, 22, and then I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start it in the wallet right here. We have 21 confirmations now. I'm gonna copy the command here. Make sure your wallet is unlocked. Mine is locked. Okay. Let's see now. It's unlocked. You're gonna want to go to debug cancel. Paste it here. Start MasterNode alias files and your alias. And there you go. MasterNode 1 successful started. It's gonna start now. Let's see here. I'm gonna hit done and wait for a bit. And as you can see here, status is online now. MasterNode already started. Okay. There we have it, both in the wallet and on Pecunia. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. I'm gonna be doing monthly updates on the coin, on the prices and stuff. Have a good one.